everyone, my name is Irina and welcome to unboxing video. Today I'm gonna make unboxing of January 2023 new resolution spec box from ZenPop. I'm very excited to open this. ZenPop delivers a surprise box of different stationery selection to their subscribers from all over the world every month. In addition to stationery boxes, they also have ramen sweets, anime and more. Check out their website if you're interested. Use a special discount code IRINAB for $6 off your order, especially for my followers. Find details in the description. Now let's take a little closer look at everything. Beginning with this message card for a personalized gift, it comes with charm that can be carefully removed and used as a separate accessory. And just look at this sky blue beautiful envelope, looks stunning. Now I'm opening such a cute thing, magnet. I was really excited to see a magnet here with great illustration. Now it's on my fridge. Here a washi tape with unique design and golden elements. It shines on different angles. I'm gonna have fun using this stationery or maybe even decorate my sketchbooks. Next is awesome notepad with camel nose, very comfortable supply to use. Just separate each page and write on it, perfect for daily plans, reminders and goals. Carefully designed memo pad with delicate floral pattern with finest paper. Thin thread keeps pages together and on the inside you'll see a dotted line that easily allows you to detach your notes. Interesting and handy format. Black ball pen. Ballpoint can be used for different purposes, writing, calligraphy or sketching. It all depends on pressure you apply when using it. I'm an artist and this is a really useful thing for me. Cute little bear eraser. At first I thought it's candy because it actually smells so sweet and nice, but now it's a stationery supply. Let's open etching clips of Japanese Lucky Charms engraved on stainless steel. The edge of case is sloped to allow a thin clip to slide out smoothly. It can help you to organize messy files, documents and all your notes. And it really holds a lot of pages together. A new thing for me, masking roll stickers, so fun, colorful with traditional ornaments. You can peel off each pattern design and use it as stickers to decorate your bullet journal, notes, gift cards, etc. And last but not least, creative envelope. On the reverse side of what there is mountain. You can gently pop the attachment to make it stand out and reflect on the surface of this silver card. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in comments below what item is your favorite, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't miss the opportunity to use special promo code. Details in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye!